Ini benar sih, dan udah diakui sama teman-temanku di sini. Orang Indonesia kan banyak ya di Turki. Mereka itu rata-rata bilang hal yang sama, kalau orang Indonesia tuh gampang diajak berbaur karena kita tuh nggak gampang tersinggung. Kayak misalnya bangsa Rusia gitu, mereka ditanya kerja di mana atau punya berapa bersaudara aja tuh kayak nggak mau jawab gitu. Ya mirip-mirip dikit lah sama orang Turki, cuma kayak lebih tertutup dikit lagi. Gimana mau deket kalau dikit-dikit prasangkanya nggak baik. Nah kalau orang Indonesia tuh lebih ke kayak ya udah cerita mah cerita aja gitu kan. Jadi positive thinking sama orang baru, nggak berprasangka jelek-jelek gitu. Makanya gampang banget dapet temen.
Di banyak negara seperti Eropa, Amerika, Jepang, sampai Korea, kehidupan sehari-hari berjalan cepat dan sunyi. Orang-orang terbiasa hidup mandiri, menjaga jarak, dan sibuk dengan urusan masing-masing. Bukan karena mereka tidak ramah, hanya karena budaya mereka memang seperti itu. Teratur, tertutup, dan minim interaksi spontan. Tidak heran kalau banyak dari mereka tumbuh sebagai pribadi yang introvert. Namun, pola itu seringkali berubah ketika mereka datang ke Indonesia. Indonesia punya sesuatu yang berbeda. Di sini, orang menyapa tanpa diminta, tertawa tanpa alasan, dan ramah tanpa syarat. Hal-hal kecil yang bagi orang Indonesia terasa biasa, justru menjadi hal besar bagi orang luar. Di warung, mereka diajak ngobrol meski baru kenal. Di kampung, mereka dianggap keluarga baru hanya karena datang sekali. Dan di setiap sudut, selalu ada orang Indonesia yang siap membantu, bahkan sebelum diminta. Perlahan, kehangatan itu menular. Banyak bule yang awalnya pendiam mulai berani berbicara. Yang tadinya canggung mulai ikut bercanda. Yang terbiasa menyendiri tiba-tiba jadi suka nongkrong dan kumpul bareng warga. Mereka menemukan sisi diri yang selama ini tertutup oleh budaya individualis tempat mereka lahir. Dan tanpa disadari, Indonesia mengubah cara mereka bersosial dari introvert yang menjaga jarak menjadi ekstrovert yang menikmati kebersamaan. Mungkin itu sebabnya banyak orang merasa lebih hidup ketika berada di Indonesia. Karena di sini, manusia bukan hanya berjalan berdampingan, tapi benar-benar saling menyapa, saling menghangatkan, dan saling menjadi teman, bahkan tanpa alasan.
So I live in Indonesia right now, and it's crazy how much your perspective changes when you move to a country like this.
Europe, you know, you have your watch, it's like, how can I effectively my time as much as I want? Like, oh, I need to go to work. You don't like care about your family or nothing, just your work, your success, your money, you know. That's why I love Indonesia, you know.
For me, wow, what is this?
Saddle for praying. Yeah. Hands up.
So happy to be back again. Feel at home.
Thank you, that's very cute, I appreciate it.
How is this for you? I'm in love. Yeah, I'm in love. Do you think you can trend a little bit?
Just an easiness of life here. There's a happiness, there's a peacefulness, there's a blissfulness that in the Western world, in the US, I didn't really get that same vibe. But everyone's laid back and chill and easy, and I love that mindset, especially as a mindset mentor. I love that.
Whoa! We've literally just left our hotel and already everyone's like so friendly. Jeez, it's gonna be a really good day, I think.
meet you.
Yeah.
America.
American.
Yes. Where are you from?
From Indonesia, Java, Surabaya City.
Oh, from Java.
From Java.
Oh, beautiful.
What's your name?
My name's Chris.
Chris.
What's your name?
Hasanuddin.
Shanaduin.
Hasanuddin.
Ashanuddin.
Yes.
Nice to meet you, brother.
Oh.
Is this your business?
Yes. I sell Indonesia beautiful, sir.
Oh, thank you.
Indonesia, sir. Beautiful.
Very beautiful.
Okay, thank you very much.
Enak.
Enak. You speaking Indonesia, sir?
No Indonesian, no.
Indonesian.
No, English.
English.
Espanol.
Oh, Spanyol?
You know Espanol?
No.
No?
Siapa tu?
Salsa.
Yeah.
Yeah. Woo! Yeah.
This is exactly why I love Indonesia. 5 minutes ago, I entered a local restaurant which is called a Warteg, and I ordered my meal in Bahasa Indonesia, the Indonesian language, and there was a gentleman inside the Warteg. I didn't realize he was watching and listening to me when I was ordering, but when he finished his meal with his wife, we had a little conversation, again in the Indonesian language, to the best of my ability. And guess what he did? He paid for my meal. What a beautiful and kind gesture by a complete stranger, just because he appreciated my efforts. Assalamualaikum bang. Just because he appreciated my efforts at speaking his language. What a nice person.
Hello everybody. If you see me, I am the face of Surabaya people. Surabaya people like me. Yeah, handsome, tall, but love my wife and my mom. So everybody welcome to Surabaya. Don't forget to eat soto ayam. Soto ayam is the best food in the world. But if you eat soto, do not use kecap manis or soy black sauce. Only soto. Okay? Okay, thank you Euro people.
Indonesia pada akhirnya bukan hanya negara, ia adalah suasana yang bisa membuat siapapun merasa diterima, dilibatkan, dan akhirnya berubah menjadi versi dirinya yang lebih terbuka.